Cataloging. Now, we all know what a catalog is. It is a book or a pamphlet with number of things in it. So cataloging, what should it mean? Well, it simply means to make a catalog or to compile a catalog. Let's have the usage here.
Back in London in the late 1830s, the specimens he'd collected and his reporting of the voyage made Darwin a scientific celebrity. Even more importantly, while cataloguing his finds, Darwin realized that life forms weren't fixed.
While cataloging his finds, Darwin realized that life forms weren't fixed. They must have evolved. So Darwin जब सारे specimens को catalog कर रहा था तो उसने realize किया कि life forms fix नहीं हैं. With times, life forms बदल रहे हैं, change हो रहे हैं, इनका evolution हो रहा है.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my